Hi friends, welcome to my video about Earth. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, teach you and push you to be your best self. Said by Bill Gates. Hereby I am presenting some facts about Earth. Distance from the Sun is 149.6 million kilometer. Equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometer. Surface temperature is minus 70 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Rotational period is 23.93 hours. Orbital period is 365.25 Earth days. Number of moons? 1. Why is the Earth a very special planet? The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is a very special planet not only because it is our home but for many other reasons as well. It is the only planet in the solar system that is known to support life. In fact, it not only supports life but is also home to millions of different forms of life. The Earth is the only planet that has an atmosphere made up of 21% oxygen and that has liquid water on its surface. With so many unique features, our Earth is truly a home to be proud of. Friends, as I told before, Earth is the only planet in the solar system that is known to support life. Earth is the only inner planet to have one large satellite, the Moon. The Earth is the only densest planet in the solar system. Why the Earth is sometimes referred to as the Goldilocks Planet? If you have read the story of Goldilocks and the three bears, you will know that Goldilocks is a little girl in the story who wanted everything to be just perfect. She did not like things that were too hot or too cold, too hard or too soft. Earth is sometimes referred to as a Goldilocks planet because in many ways it is just perfect for life. It is neither too hot nor too cold, nor too dry or too wet. Why is the Earth referred to as the blue marble? When you look at the Earth from outer space, it resembles a blue marble. The term was first used after a photograph of the Earth taken by the crew of Apollo 17 in December 1972 was published. In it, the Earth appears like a blue marble with swirls of green, brown, yellow and white. The blue color comes from the water covering most of the Earth's surface. The yellow, brown and green are the land masses. The white comes from the clouds in the atmosphere. How does the Earth move? The Earth moves in two ways, rotation and revolution. The Earth spins on an imaginary line that passes through the center of the planet from the north to the south pole. This line is called the Earth's axis and the spinning movement is known as rotation. The Earth makes a full spin on its axis once every 24 hours, which we call as a full day. The Earth's axis is not straight up and down but tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. The rotation is what causes the change from day to night. The tilt is responsible for having seasons. The path along which the Earth moves around the Sun is known as an orbit. The Earth takes approximately 365 days or a year to complete one revolution around the Sun. What are the different parts of the Earth? Air, land, water and life. These make up the Earth, this beautiful planet that is our home. Air is made up of different gases. The most important of these gases are nitrogen and oxygen, which are needed for life. Land is made up of mountains and plains, valleys and deserts. It includes the regions below its surface that is made up of rocks and metal. Water can be both salt and fresh water. It is found in the seas and oceans, rivers and streams, lakes and ponds, rain, snow and ice. Life consists of people as well as millions of species of animals and plants, from the very tiny to the huge. The study of the interaction and relationship between air, land, water and life are an important science called Earth System Science. The Earth's structure. The Earth is made up of 5 layers. All these layers are physically and chemically different. They are the inner and outer core, the lower and upper mantle and the crust. The Earth's inner core is a huge red hot metallic ball of iron that remains in a solid state, even in such incredibly high temperatures because of the immense pressure surrounding it. The outer core is a red hot liquid layer of iron and nickel. The movement of these flowing metals creates the Earth's magnetic field. The upper mantle begins just beneath the crust and ends at the lower mantle. It is made up of both solid and melted rock. The lower mantle is made of solid rock that is hot enough to melt, but is solid because of the pressure pushing down on it. The Earth's crust is like the skin of an apple. It is very thin in comparison to the other 4 layers. The crust is only about 5 to 10 kilometers thick under the oceans and about 70 kilometers thick under the continents. The crust is the coldest layer of the Earth because it is exposed to the atmosphere and is composed of different types of rocks. Its temperature increases with depth. Why is the Earth's atmosphere unique? The layer of gases that surround the Earth, which we call air, makes up its atmosphere. Air is made up of 78.09% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.03% carbon dioxide and small amounts of other gases as well as water vapor. The atmosphere protects Earth like a big blanket of insulation. It absorbs the heat from the sun and keeps the heat inside the atmosphere, helping the Earth to stay warm. It also keeps the overall temperature of the Earth fairly steady, especially between night and day. The atmosphere plays an important role in forming our weather patterns and climate. Which are the main layers of the Earth's atmosphere? The Earth's atmosphere is made up of 5 layers. The first layer is the troposphere. This is the layer next to the ground. The second layer is the stratosphere. The stratosphere absorbs the radiation from the sun and gets warmer as we go higher. The third layer is the mesosphere. The thermosphere is the fourth layer. The last and the thinnest layer is the exosphere. Okay friends, now let's move on to our bonus questions and answers. Question number 1 is, dash is the third planet from the sun. The answer is Earth. Question number 2. Earth comes between the planets dash and dash. The answer is Venus and Mars. Question number 3. Another name for Earth? The answer is Goldilocks Planet. Question number 4. Earth referred to as the dash marble. The answer is blue marble. Question number 5. The blue color represents the dash of the Earth's surface. The answer is water. Number 6. Dash color represents the clouds in the atmosphere. The answer is white. 7. An imaginary line passes through the center of the earth from the north to the south pole is dash. The answer is axis. Number 8. The earth's axis tilted at an angle of dash degrees. The answer is 23.5 degrees. Number 9. The earth's tilted axis is responsible for having dash. The answer is seasons. 10. The earth takes dash hours, dash minutes and dash seconds to complete one rotation. The answer is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Number 11. Dash is made up of different gases. The answer is air. Question number 12. The Earth's outer core is a red, hot, liquid layer of dash and dash. The answer is iron and nickel. Question number 13. Dash is the coldest layer of the earth. The answer is crust. 14. The earth's crust and the upper mantle are known as dash. The answer is lithosphere. Question number 15. The atmosphere plays an important role in forming dash and dash. The answer is weather pattern and climate. Number 16. 100 kilometers above the earth, an imaginary line is called dash. The answer is Karman Line. 17. The first layer of the earth's atmosphere is dash. The answer is troposphere. Number 18. The second layer of the earth's atmosphere is dash. The answer is stratosphere. Number 19. The last and the thinnest layer of the earth's atmosphere is dash. The answer is exosphere. Then number 20. The study of the earth's atmosphere is called dash. The answer is atmospheric science or aerology. 21. What do you call a person who studies rocks? The answer is a geologist. 22. What is the name of the highest mountain on earth? The answer is Mount Everest. 23. What is the name of the layer of Earth's atmosphere that absorbs the majority of the potentially damaging ultraviolet light from the sun? The answer is the ozone layer. 24. What is the second most common gas found in the air we breathe? The answer is oxygen, 21%. 25. The thickest layer of the earth is the dash. The answer is mantle. 26. Name given to the shape of the earth. The answer is an oblate spheroid. 27. Which is the only planet with only one satellite? The answer is Earth. 28. Which is the satellite of the Earth? The answer is Moon. 29. Known as the blue planet, water planet of the solar system? The answer is Earth. 30. The only planet where plate tectonics exists. The answer is Earth. 31. How fast is the Earth moving? The answer is 11.186 kilometer per second. 32. Which is the hottest place on earth? The answer is El Azizia in Libya. 33. Which is the coldest place on earth? The answer is Vostok station in Antarctica. 34. The most abundant element in the atmosphere is nitrogen, 78%. And our last question is, when is World Earth Day celebrated? The answer is April 22nd. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. Okay friends, see you all in the next video about Mars. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, bye-bye.